Welcome to our C# programming course. In this lesson we'll explore methods, a core concept in all programming. This enables you to encapsulate code for reusability, organisation and maintainability. We encourage you to follow along, write the code and experiment with your own examples to solidify your understanding. Methods are vital because they allow you to break down complex code into smaller, manageable pieces. They allow code reuse, enhance clarity, and give more structure to your program. Note that in some languages they are called functions, and these names are used interchangeably. Methods offer several advantages. They are modularity, which is where you can divide your code into smaller self-contained units; reusability, where you can use the same code in multiple places; readability, which improves the structure for easier understanding; and maintenance, where you can update one method and you'll affect all instances of its use. If you're following along, we have been using a method the whole time called main, which takes an array of strings as an argument and calls it args. This is the entry point of the program and where it starts from. Methods are the same as the ones you had or will have at school. You give them some things, arguments, they do something with them and give you something back, the result. In this simple example we can pass in two numbers and the method will return the sum of them. Don't worry about the word public or static for now, that will come in a future video. Float is used to specify the type the method will return. Add is the name of the method. Float A is saying that the method expects a float to be passed to it, and inside the method it will be referred to as a variable called A. The same thing applies to float B. The curly brackets define the logic of the method. The result is doing the logic, and the return says what the method will give back when the method is used. Note that this is defined outside of the main method. To use a method, all you have to do is type the name and any parameters. Your methods can return anything you like or nothing at all. If they are not returning anything, use the word void as the return type, like this. One of the features of methods is that they can be overloaded. This means that you can have two or more methods with the same name, but can use the return type or parameters to indicate which of the methods you want to use. That concludes our lesson on methods. You now have the knowledge to create and use methods to enhance your code organisation and promote reusability. Thanks for joining us today. Practice creating methods to sharpen your programming skills. Stay tuned for more lessons. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates. Happy coding!